From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Brian. Nearly 2,000 people in Missouri have now tested positive for cyclosporiasis, the intestinal illness linked to contaminated iceberg lettuce. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the lettuce sourced from Mexico has sickened people in 17 states, including in Missouri. But doctors say the outbreak may be nearing its peak. Cyclospora infections typically surge during the summer and begin to decline in late August. Also, federal health officials say most, if not all, of the contaminated lettuce is no longer in the food supply. And one of the proposals denied a spot on the November ballot by Missouri Secretary of State Denny Hoskins had the necessary signatures according to data provided by Hoskins. The Missouri Independent reports a Cole County Circuit judge held a hearing this afternoon on whether the proposal limiting changes to initiative petitions will be on the ballot as Amendment 6. Green will also hold a hearing tomorrow morning on whether Missourians will vote on a redistricting referendum as Proposition A. Hoskins refused both spots on the ballot and refused to say if either had the required signatures. Hoskins says he was not allowing them on the ballot because he believes they violate the state constitution's limits on petitions placing items on the ballot. A court filing from Hoskins' attorney today revealed the initiative petition proposal received signatures from the required 8% of registered voters in 6 of the 8 districts to get on the ballot. The numbers for Proposition A are yet to be released. And a Cole County Circuit judge will soon decide whether a constitutional amendment on citizen initiatives should appear on the November ballot. Judge Daniel Green oversaw a case today concerning Secretary of State Denny Hoskins' decision to reject ballot placement for a proposed amendment that would make it harder to overturn voter-approved initiatives. During the trial, Hoskins' attorney repeatedly spoke against how the proposed amendment would affect Missouri. However, Chuck Hatfield, who is representing the plaintiffs, said what the proposal would do isn't pertinent to the lawsuit.
Ultimately, what I think it boils down to is, does the Secretary of State have the ability to keep something off the ballot even though hundreds of thousands of citizens have complied with the constitutional requirements and asked that it be put on the ballot?
Green said at the end of the hearing that he would issue a ruling no later than tomorrow. And Missouri Head Start providers are weighing changes suggested by the Trump administration. The Missouri Independent reports federal officials want to eliminate more than 1,400 requirements governing Head Start, arguing that less money spent on complying with federal requirements could help programs save money and reach more children. State leaders say there are some rules that could be removed, but they're uncertain that Trump's proposed deregulation would help get kids through the door. I'm Brian, KBIA News, Columbia.